Rolf is not amused, you. Are you saying? You need to eat more fiber, head and sock, Ed boy. Are you weak in the upper story? Do not fool Rolf. Many doors, yeah? I suppose disgracing Rolf is okay to you, Ed boy. The honor of Rolf's ancestors has been avenged! Thank you. I suppress my pain of laughter.